Welcome to Mr. English Speaks. Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Speaks. This is the place where English is slow, clear, easy, and friendly. My name is Adam. I am very happy you are here with us today. If you understand English but feel nervous or silent when you try to speak, today's conversation is for you.
Hello, Adam. Hello, everyone. I'm Sarah. I'm also very happy to be here with you today. This topic is very close to my heart because so many learners tell us the same thing again and again. They say, I understand English, but I can't speak. If that sounds like you, please relax. You are not alone.
Yes, exactly. This is one of the most common problems in the world of English learning. People can watch movies, they can understand podcasts, they can read comments, but when it is time to speak, the mind feels empty, the mouth feels closed, the voice feels stuck.
Stuck is the perfect word. Many learners say, my English is in my head, but it doesn't come out. And today, we want to help you move English from your head to your mouth, slowly, naturally, without fear.
Before we begin, we have a small request. If you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video and subscribe to Mr. English Speaks. Your support helps our channel grow and helps more learners find simple English like this.
Thank you so much. Now, Adam, let's start with a simple question. Why does this happen? Why do people understand English but can't speak it?
That is a great question. The biggest reason is this. Many learners learn English only with their eyes and ears. They read and listen a lot, but they don't use their mouth enough.
That is so true. Understanding English is a passive skill. Speaking English is an active skill, and passive skills and active skills are very different.
Exactly. Let me give a simple example. You can watch someone ride a bicycle, you can understand how it works, but that does not mean you can ride it. You must practice, you must fall, you must try again.
I love that example. Speaking English is the same. You must practice speaking, not just understanding. And many learners are afraid to practice because they are afraid of mistakes.
Yes, fear is a very big problem. Fear of wrong grammar, fear of bad pronunciation, fear of people laughing.
Let me say something very important. Mistakes are not the enemy. Silence is the enemy. If you never speak, you never improve.
That is a powerful sentence. Silence is the enemy. Making mistakes means you are learning. Every mistake is a small teacher.
Exactly. When babies learn their first language, they make hundreds of mistakes, but nobody laughs at them, nobody stops them, they just keep speaking.
And that is why babies become fluent. They don't translate in their head. They don't worry about grammar rules. They just communicate.
Translation is another big problem. Many learners translate every sentence from their first language into English. This makes speaking very slow and very stressful.
Yes, when you translate, your brain works too hard. You think of the idea, then you think of the word in your language, then you search for the English word, then you check grammar, then you speak. By that time, the conversation is already gone.
That's why learners freeze. So today, we want to help you stop translating and start thinking in English naturally.
Let's talk about the first important habit, active listening. Not just listening, active listening.
Passive listening is when English is playing in the background. You are cooking, you are scrolling your phone, you hear English, but you are not using it.
Active listening means you listen and repeat. You listen and copy the sound, the rhythm, the speed.
This technique is called shadowing. You listen to one sentence and repeat it. You can pause the video, you can repeat slowly.
For example, if I say, I'm a little tired today, you pause and say it. You copy my voice.
This helps your mouth learn English, not just your brain. English is also a physical skill.
That's very important. Your tongue, lips, and jaw need practice. Shadowing connects your ears and your mouth.
And please remember, it does not need to be perfect. You don't need to sound like a native speaker. You need to sound like you.
That brings us to the second habit, talking to yourself in English.
Some people think this is strange, but it is one of the best ways to practice speaking.
You can do it when you are alone, at home, in your room, in the kitchen.
Just say what you are doing. For example, I am making tea. I am boiling water. I am tired today.
This trains your brain to think in English. You stop translating, you start reacting in English.
At first, your sentences will be very simple. That is good. Simple English is strong English.
Many learners think good English means long and difficult sentences. That is not true.
Native speakers use simple English every day. I'm hungry. I'm busy. That's interesting.
Which brings us to another very important idea. Learning chunks, not single words.
A chunk is a group of words that always go together. For example, I think so. In my opinion, that makes sense.
When you learn chunks, you don't need to think about grammar. You just use them.
This makes speaking faster and more natural. Your brain gets small breaks.
For example, instead of thinking how to start a sentence, you say, the thing is, and continue.
These are like ready-made tools. They help you speak even when you feel nervous.
Now let's talk about practice. You must speak every day.
Not for 1 hour, not for 2 hours, just 5 or 10 minutes.
5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
Because speaking is a habit. If you stop, the habit becomes weak.
Many learners ask, who should I speak with?
You can speak with your phone. Use the voice recorder. Ask yourself a question and answer it.
For example, what did I do today? Then answer slowly.
When you listen to your recording, you will notice mistakes. That is good.
You will also notice good things. That is important. Confidence grows when you see progress.
Another powerful method is role play, pretend situations.
Like ordering food, booking a hotel, talking to a friend.
You can play both roles. Ask a question, answer it.
This prepares your brain for real life, so when the moment comes, you don't freeze.
Freezing happens because the brain is surprised. Practice removes surprise.
Let's talk about mindset. Your mindset is everything.
If you believe, my English is bad, then speaking becomes very hard.
Instead, say, my English is improving. This small change is powerful.
Confidence does not come after fluency. Fluency comes after confidence.
That is very important. Speak first, improve later.
Communication is more important than perfection.
If people understand you, you are successful.
Accent is not a problem. Accent is identity.
The world is full of accents. English belongs to everyone.
Now let's do a small practice together.
Sure, I remember learning another language. I understood a lot, but I was afraid to speak.
What helped you?
I stopped waiting for perfect English. I started speaking with mistakes. Slowly, speaking became easier.
That is a great lesson. Waiting for perfect English is a trap.
Yes, perfect English does not exist. Real English is imperfect.
If you are listening right now and feeling stuck, please remember this. Your English is already inside you.
You don't need more grammar. You need more courage.
Speak slowly, speak simply, speak daily.
And enjoy the process. Learning English is a journey.
Let's do a quick recap.
Understand that speaking is an active skill.
Stop translating, start thinking in simple English.
Practice speaking every day, even alone.
Use chunks and simple sentences.
Don't fear mistakes. Use them.
Confidence grows with action.
We believe in you.
Yes, we truly do. Thank you so much for listening to Mr. English Speaks today.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who feels stuck.
And please comment below. Tell us, what stops you from speaking English?
We love reading your comments.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking.
Bye for now.
See you soon.